Good morning, I'm Lasana Allen, and I just went into farming. So, first of all, it's a beautiful day. Look at the sky, look around the nature around us. So, so basically, I know nothing about farming, and this is what I started a little backyard garden so I can learn about farming. I planted two tomatoes. I planted tomatoes like 6 months ago or a couple months ago. It didn't turn out well. I wasn't here to monitor them or to watch them grow. Basically, an insect came and it actually infected the tomatoes. So that's something I'm learning. I haven't chosen to like destroy these. I still keep them as like hope that something can come out of farming, So here it is. But then I've recently planted like okras there, and I've planted like callaloo there. So basically every morning I get up and I try to water them. So this is my hose. It's on shore. There's light. I'm going to put it on like jet. I hope you can see. I hope jet. No, that will hurt the plant. So let's try miss. I hope miss. No. Oh boy. So okay, I have to be holding the camera. So let's just stay with shower. So right here it's okra. There's nothing coming up right now. But what? I still have the hope that they will come up. This is 5 days. They were planted 5 days ago. So let's see what comes up. So I'm going to come up every morning and water and watch. If for 1 month I see that nothing comes up, then I have to just start all over again and do something different and see. But I have hope that something will come up. So basically I just water these. I made trenches, so wherever you see like you ever see that stick, therefore that means the seeds are planted along that line. So basically I know nothing about farming, but I want to go into farming because farming is the future. I believe like everybody needs to eat, so why not farm? So this is basically a small start, a small start. Hopefully I don't want to put too much water. I don't want to put too much water because then you can actually rot the seed before it germinates. So it's like, boy, it's a mixture of things you have to look at. But still, I like to talk to my plants. So here we go. Grow little seeds, germinate, spread your wings, little seeds. Grow tall, tall, grow tall, tall, grow tall and show your beauty indeed. Grow little seeds, grow little seeds, grow tall little seeds. Grow tall and show your beauty, grow tall and show your deeds. Grow little seeds, grow, grow, grow. Alright, so that's basically it. The soil is already wet, so it doesn't make sense I drench it more with water because I don't want the seeds to rot. So that's it. So first day of this. Have a good day.